Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your email password on your iPhone. This method ensures your email access is updated securely. We'll start by opening your iPhone's main settings application. From there, you'll easily find the Mail section, which manages all your email configurations. Tapping on Accounts will display a list of every email account currently set up on your device, preparing us for the next crucial step. Now, from the list of accounts, tap on the specific email account for which you need to update the password. Once you've selected it, scroll to the very bottom of the account details screen. You will see an option to delete account. Tap this, and then confirm the deletion when your iPhone asks. Don't worry, this action only removes the account from your iPhone, not from your email provider, so your emails are safe. After deleting the old account, navigate back to the account screen. Here, you'll find the option to add account. Tap this, and then select your email provider from the available choices, such as Gmail, Outlook, or other for custom domains. Carefully enter your full email address and the new password you've already set with your email provider. Your iPhone will then attempt to verify these new credentials. Once you've entered your new password, your iPhone will work to verify the account details with your email service. If successful, you'll be prompted to choose which data you want to sync, such as mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. Select your preferences and tap Save. Finally, open your Mail application to ensure that your email is now accessible and functioning correctly with the updated password. You should be able to send and receive messages without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.